For securing heavy loads, it's hard to beat the one-of-a-kind CamJam Tie Down Strap. These unique straps can be used in 2 different configurations, depending on your needs. Let's start with the loop configuration. After passing the strap around your load, feed the tip of the webbing into the buckle. This arrow shows you the way. Now, bring the webbing up through the back of the buckle. Next, feed the end of the webbing through this passage and pull the slack until you reach your desired tension. Then, tuck the tail into the release lever here. That's it. The CamJam features a controlled release buckle design. Simply press the release lever to safely and easily release the tension. If you need increased leverage for maximum tightening power, you can use the Lockout configuration. In this configuration, 2 loops are created, allowing the strap to be easily attached around an anchor point. To start, wrap the webbing around your first anchor point. Now feed the webbing through this first opening at the back of the buckle. Then pass the webbing back down through the second opening, while making sure to keep the webbing on top of the rubber protector. Now, wrap the webbing around your second anchor point and proceed through the buckle as we did in the first configuration. At the arrow, feed the tip of the webbing into the buckle, and then up through this opening. Next, bring the tip of the webbing through this passage and pull the webbing to secure your load. Finally, tuck the tail into the release lever. If you ever want to shorten your webbing, cut the end at a 45-degree angle for easy threading. Then carefully singe the end to prevent fraying. For times when you need extra holding strength for your loads, grab the CamJam Tie Down Straps from Nite Ize.